And welcome to Government Private Job Alerts. So guys, today we are going to discuss about Deloitte Off-Campus Drive 2021. So guys, as you can see on the screen, your batches that will be eligible are 19, 20 and 21. So after that, talking about your educational qualifications, so your BE, BTech, ME and MTech are eligible. So now talking about the salary, so they haven't mentioned in the official website. So they have in the official notification, they have only told that the salary will be based in the industry. So, but from some of our sources, we got to know that the salary will be approximate 5 LPA. So guys, now talking about your freshers and experience. So yes, your freshers and experience both are eligible. So guys, now watch the video till the end, and if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel or have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that there is any notification, so you will get it earlier. So guys, as we have started our videos, initial videos, so we told you that we will provide the government or private job alerts to you on early basis, but we have added a lot more things, those who are not aware. So let me discuss one or two things before that. It will take only 30 seconds. So initially we have started with government private job alerts, in which we provide the government and private job alerts to the students. So guys, now after that, we got a lot of comments from the student that sir, please help us in preparation of the certain exams. For example, if I talk about like mass hiring exams, that is IT, Infosys, Wipro, these all the exams. So guys, we have started the preparation video of global edge exam also, and TCS smart hiring, we did a lot of work in that. We did a hard work, and we got a lovable and commendable comments from the students, and we are also satisfied, and they are also satisfied by their performance. So guys, now talking about the another preparation strategy. So we prepared for the Infosys also, so we got a good comments from the students. So if you have any doubt, like if you do not want to prepare, no problem, you are preparing from some another channel, so you can prepare from them. But if you have any doubt or wanted to confirm anything, so you can go and watch our videos. You can watch our 2 to 3 or 5 minutes videos, then you will get to know about the teaching style. So now talking about if you wanted to know something more, so in the videos you can see the comment sections also. So many students have commented on there also, and in addition to it, we have also started three our Telegram groups also, in which we used to give them if they have any doubt, then they are also most welcome. In addition to it, we have started the Telegram channels also. So we have three Telegram channels. So I will provide the link in the description of all three. If you want any of them, then you can join them, in which students get assistance from each other. And if they have seriously some issues, so definitely we are also there. But due to my tight schedule, so it is a bit difficult to get to all the doubts on the students. But definitely we will be trying hard. So guys, now talking about the Deloitte Off Campus Drive 2021. So as we have discussed each and everything about BE, BTech, ME, MTech and batches and freshers salary, each and everything we have discussed. So now we will be discussing each and everything in detail about the your what is the job position, what is the job location, each and everything will be discussed. So watch the video till the end, and so you can see now we are on the website, like it is our Deloitte recruitment 2021. So your job position will be associate software engineer, and your job locations will be Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Gurgaon. So now after that, talking about your salary, so as I told you, that is best in the industry, so they haven't mentioned it. So there they have shown about the BE, BTech, computer science, IT, so we will be discussing afterwards about the MTech also. So do not worry, they are also eligible. So if you wanted to apply, then you are most welcome. So now after that, so we will be reaching towards the official website now. So we are on the official website of Deloitte. So the official website is jobs2.deloitte.com. So you can also visit the website, and we will also provide the link in the description from where you have to apply. So now after that, talking about your position, so we have discussed associate software engineer. So your field will be your cyber cloud and product development. So your locations, they have discussed about the locations also, Hyderabad, Bengaluru and Gurgaon. So after that, now talking about your work you will do. So you can pause the video, and you can read out these things. These are the basic things. And now after that, talking about the team, how you will grow, each and everything has been discussed in detail. So you can visit the website, or I will provide the link in the description, and you can go through each and everything. So now talking about the Deloitte culture, so these are the basic things. So now talking about the qualifications required, so you can see the qualifications. So this is the most important thing if you wanted to apply. So you can see there your proven working experience in technical writing of software documentation, ability to quickly grasp complex technical concepts and make them easily understandable in text and pictures. After that, you can see these things, ability to envision to overall user experience for the product, and then deliver high quality documentation that appropriately addresses the needs of product user across the various stages of product adoption. So now you can read out these excellent written skills in US English. After that, your prior experience with creating online web-based documentation. So these are the things. Now basic familiarity with the software development. After that, you can see the preferred qualifications. So as I told you that they have mentioned in the BTech only, but I told you that MTech and MB are also eligible. So you can read there. These are the preferred: DE, BTech, ME, MTech from computer science, cyber security, information security, or information technology. So guys, after that you can read out about the Deloitte also is a brand under the 10,000 of dedicated professionals in independent firms throughout the world collaborate to provide audit, consulting, financial advisory, risk management, and tax services to selected clients. So guys, this is we have talked about the Deloitte. So now the most important thing is, sir, where to apply or from how to apply. So now you can see, so this is the apply link. So from there you can apply. So I'll click on the link and I'll show you the page. So when I'll click on the page, so you can see there, this is your login credentials. So from there, if you have Deloitte login ID and password, then you can directly fill the login ID, that means your username and the password. And if you do not have, so do not worry about that. If you don't have the username or password, you can scroll the page and you can see there new user. So from there you have to click to the new user and you have to make the username, password, and the most important thing is just check the password also. That means there are certain criterias like your capital letter, or there are some constraints in the password. So and the most important is the username, means the username which you have put, you cannot put the password also. So you can read out these things. So after that, when you will make the ID, and then you after that you can log in from the username and the password and you can apply to the post. So guys, this is all about Deloitte and we have discussed each and everything in detail. And if you still have any doubt, then you are most welcome in the comment section. So we will meet in the next video. We will be discussing some more things. So stay connected, stay tuned, and all the best.